Good morning. This is Mrs. Carrillo at Wheaton Montessori School, and I wanted to share with you a simple DIY at home for the cards and counters. The cards and counters are a material that's important because it allows the child to join the numbers or the numerals, the symbols for the numbers 1 through 10, with the quantity or the amount of 1 to 10. And we do this in the classroom generally after the child has worked extensively with the red rods and the spindle boxes and is comfortable with counting to 10. And there's a way that you can do this. So first let me show you what it looks like in the classroom. In the classroom I have these cards that have the numbers 1 through 10. And they sit on a little tray like this with a container full of stones. And the first thing that you would want to do to make your own is figure out how you could make the cards. And I think a simple way to do that would be just using some little pieces of paper or cardstock or whatever you have, and you're just simply going to write the numbers 1 through 10. If your child can write, they can write the numbers 1 through 10 on the cards. You just want to make sure you have enough. So I would make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'd continue all the way up to 10. Now, another important thing about the cards and counters is the order of the numbers. So understanding that the numbers go from left to right, starting with 1 and going all the way to 10. So if you're working with your child on this, you would mix up the cards and then see if they can find which one. So I'll do a demonstration. My cards are all mixed up. Okay, so what comes first? 1. Can you find 1? 1. And the child is going to line them up from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And they'd keep going all the way up to 10. So let me push these up a little bit, and I'll show you what I'm using for the counters. In the classroom for the counters, we use stones, but you might have some fancy glass stones at home. Maybe you have some beautiful stones in your yard that you could use. I am going to use dried beans because that's what I have a lot of. Dried beans have so many uses for sorting, like I did a video on that, for counting, for sprouting, just all about the dried beans. Anyway, you are going to set a little pile or a small container of dried beans, and then your child would count. And it's important that they count into the hand first. So let me demonstrate what this looks like. So my first card says 1. 1. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And you'd go on until they get to 10. When the child is finished with setting that up and has all the beans correct, then you can have them read the numbers in order from 1 to 10 and then backwards from 10 to 1 by pointing at the card. So it would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I always like to say blast off at the end because why not? Make it fun. So cards and counters are something that's very easy to adapt at home. Dried beans, popcorn kernels, tiny pieces of rice if you want. You could use stones from your yard and gather them. So it's a fun activity that you can do with your child, and enjoy counting and practicing 1 through 10. Thank you. Bye-bye.